How to export passwords from the Passwords app on your Mac. If you want to back up your saved passwords or move them to another password manager, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Passwords app on your Mac. Next, unlock the app using Touch ID or your Mac password. Now, click File in the menu bar at the top of the screen. From the File menu, select Export All Passwords. A confirmation window will appear. Click Export Passwords to continue. Next, choose where you want to save the exported password file. Enter a name for the file if needed, then click Save. You may be asked to authenticate again using Touch ID or your Mac password. Your saved passwords will now be exported as a file that you can use to transfer them to another password manager. Keep in mind that the exported file contains your passwords, so keep it in a secure location and delete it after you finish transferring your passwords. And that's it. That's how you can export your passwords from the Passwords app on your Mac. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.